A big storm just rolled through town and you're concerned that your property has been damaged. We get it. This is the last thing you want to deal with, and you're probably pretty stressed about getting your property restored as soon as possible. Maybe you've been through this before. I mean, we do live in Colorado. Or maybe this is brand new. Don't worry. We're here to help every step of the way. First things first, you need a property damage assessment from a trusted contractor. Our trained consultants will shoot you straight and advise you on whether you need to file a claim or not. If there's sufficient damage there, we'll advise you to file the claim. If there's not, we'll provide you with a timestamped photo report so that you can compare photos the next time a storm passes through. Step 2. Know your policy. Here's something you may not know. There are various types of insurance policies, and the terminology can get really confusing. For example, do you have an ACV policy? These are generally cheaper policies that subtract the depreciation from the cost to replace the damage. If you have an RCV policy, on the other hand, you will receive the full amount that it takes to actually replace the damage. Whatever policy you have, we have financial options available for every circumstance. If we determine that a claim does need to be filed, we will walk you through how to file that claim, but more importantly, we will be present at your insurance adjuster appointment. Most insurance adjusters in Colorado are not required to be licensed and are not trained contractors. Therefore, a lot of things that you need to do a job often get missed. We want to make sure that you're getting the job done right the first time, with all the included components you've been paying your insurance to cover all of these years. We work with insurance proceeds, so whatever they approve is what we are going to work with. If there's something that was missed, we will communicate with your insurance on your behalf to make sure that you're getting the best quality, up-to-code product. You pay your insurance company for a reason. You're entitled to the best possible quality, and we want to make sure that you get the most out of the money that you've invested with them every single month. Did insurance ask you to get 3 bids when considering a contractor for your replacement? This is a common tactic that insurance companies use to pay the lowest price. They, like us, are consumers, and they want to get the best deal. However, and this is very important, because we all use the same pricing software, any contractor that comes in under budget is cutting corners in places that you probably don't want them to cut corners in. Another thing that homeowners often get wrong is thinking that if they choose a cheaper contractor that bids under what insurance is paying, they can pocket the remaining insurance money. However, they often are shocked to find out that when you receive money from your insurance agency for a damage claim, it is almost always broken into 2 separate checks, an ACV check and a final RCV check. The ACV is the actual cash value of your claim, meaning if you do not repair the damage, this is what your claim is worth because of depreciation. The RCV is the replacement cost value of your claim. This is what it will cost to repair or replace the damage. These 2 values are often thousands of dollars in difference. The RCV check is only released when you show proof that the job has been completed. Any difference in the final invoices results in savings for the insurance agency, not yourself. So what should you look for when choosing a contractor? It's pretty simple. You want someone who's trained to look for all the damage. Someone who works in partnership with your insurance company and works within the insurance pricing guidelines, not their own. You need someone who helps you, the property owner, get all the components that you're paying your insurance agency to cover, with the only cost to you, the homeowner, being the deductible. You need someone to take the burden off you and handle all the paperwork and dealings with your insurance agency and communicate to you clearly. And finally, you want someone to meet the adjuster on site to ensure there are 2 sets of eyes on every damaged component. Colorado Native does all the hard work, so you can sit back, relax, and know that you are getting absolutely everything covered. You deserve an advocate during this stressful time to make sure that you and your property are taken care of. Your home is likely the biggest investment you have ever made. You want it to be protected. Don't cut corners, don't allow yourself to be bullied, and know your rights as a homeowner and consumer. Colorado Native is here to help you stay educated, informed, and help you navigate through this process every step of the way.